How to get $30 Calvin Klein promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in calvinklein.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Calvin Klein. Now you have to log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you will get the discount. But where can you find the Calvin Klein promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Calvin Klein promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get the promo code for Calvin Klein. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers, 15% off, $20 off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on See Details. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Calvin Klein, log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. You can see that here are many offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Calvin Klein. Well, this way you can easily get up to $30 Calvin Klein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.